How to back up Android phone securely and efficiently. Okay, this video will show you the 7 best ways to run a backup of your Android files. Way 1. Backup Android phone with Android Backup and Restore. Mobican Backup Manager for Android. With this specialized and trustworthy tool, you can freely maintain a backup of your Android data on a computer without losing data. Launch the software on a computer and get into the backup option. Backup Android phone to computer. Choose any file categories you'd like to back up. Next, specify an output location on the computer to save them. Finally, click Backup to copy the chosen data types onto this computer. Way 2. Backup Android phone to Google Drive. Open the app and tap the plus icon. Hit Upload, upload photos or videos, upload files. Select the files you want to back up Android phone to Google account. Way 3. How to back up Android data to Windows with USB cable only. Don't want to make a Google Drive backup for Android? Try to use a USB cable that came with your phone if you just want to. Keep a copy of your Android media files other than contacts, SMS, etc. on your PC. Way 4. Backup data on Android to Mac via Android File Transfer. Available for macOS 10.7 and higher. Android File Transfer offers a straightforward way to back up Android data to your Mac. In addition to backing up a phone for preservation, this tool also allows you to browse your files for P. Way 5. How to back up Android device to Chromebook. Owning a Chromebook and an Android phone, you have several ways to exchange files. And the easiest way is to use a USB cable to perform Android backup for everything you want. Way 6. How to back up data on Android by Bluetooth. Although Bluetooth is criticized for its inefficient performance, it is a decent option when encountering Wi-Fi connectivity issues. Way 7. How to back up Android phone with Super Backup and Restore. Super Backup and Restore is a 3-third-party programs that enables you to back up files like apps, contacts, text messages, calendars, voice calls, and more. It helps schedule automatic backups along with making the backup to cloud storage.